Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Sandbed Fishing. Yes, I'm not at the side of the lake, I am in my back garden, enjoying the sun that we've got whilst we have it. Yes, so tomorrow, hopefully, depending on Sam getting his work done for uni, obviously that's his main priority at the minute. Hopefully tomorrow, both me and Sam are on the bank. We're going to a new lake. It's quite small, it's not the biggest of the lakes. It's called Ashford Carp Pools. It's tiny, it's not the biggest, and it has a good number of fish in there. We're just after a couple of runs. We're going for a 24-hour. So yeah, going for a 24-hour, see if we can get some fish on the bank. And we have some footage for you guys, you know, because we've been really quiet recently, the last however the months. I think the last video we did was just after Christmas at Gilmorton. No, I'm hoping once Sam gets his work done, we can have a quick cheeky 24-hour on the bank. And then I think I'm planning either a Norton Disney trip or a Stanwick trip, either with some of the lads from Leicester or with Louis, who's featured on the videos before. But yeah, that's just in the making at the moment. I'm not quite sure when and how we're going to work it out. I really like the look of Stanwick. Some of the fish, like dark commons and dark mirrors. Louis went there the other week and had a nice one out. I think it was £24 if I'm correct. I'll put a picture up here somewhere. But no, I'm really looking forward to getting on the bank again. I've fished Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday, and I've only had about 5 fish, so I've not done too well. But hopefully tomorrow we'll have a good little session, get some fish in the bank, and yeah, give you something to watch. See you in a bit, guys.
All alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Though we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence.
Here we are then, chaps. A first fish off the surface. Been fishing on like a small manila boilie on the top for like an hour and a half. But you know what? Switch to bread. First cast within like 3 seconds. This little bad boy. So guys, that was taken on a Baytech Birdie boilie, topped off by a 10mm pineapple pop-up and a simple herring. Get this one put back. Hey, up, Sam, you have another knot. Get this one put back. Hopefully, I have some more to show you in a bit. I've had one nice little go, so you've probably just seen. Sam's had a nice one. Dylan's mates had 2. But yeah, it's looking for a nice night. We've got a few beers between us, obviously maintaining social distancing and everything. But yeah, looking like the lake's looking proper nice. Like, a few fishing off there. We've got the liners, so hopefully we'll have a few fish. Yeah, it's a bit good. So here you see me spamming a couple of pellets over me rods. I was using 6mm pellets and 2mm pellets just on the deck, just to keep the fish moving around and see if I can produce a bite.
Tickers, I reckon.
Heat the meat up first.
Heat the meat up, and then I'm just gonna whack the rice in. Huh? You don't get that quality even at Waitrose.
Big man. So you've had a
Someone's alarm's absolutely rip roaring up. Here, taste test.
go on. Well, Gordon Ramsay will be happy with it. Is it good?
It's not raw, unlike the mango tree. Have you watched that?
No.
Gordon Ramsay's best restaurant the mango tree, a fan of his. How is a hare in my curry?
Go on then, the boys! Ooh, wait a sec.
There we are, chaps. Got a dorsal up for us. Yeah, nice little fish. Bodes well for the evening going into the night, so good stuff. Get it back. And it was on, what was it on?
I think it was on a crave and a popper, wasn't it?
No, just it was on double fake corn, mate.
double fake corn.
Double fake corn.
But it's been feeding on your crave though, because it's been
Yeah.
pulling it out over your cradle.
So unfortunately in this picture here, we forgot to press record on the camera, so I just spoke to the camera for no apparent reason on the bank. But this is a nice little comment I had, just using the rig you're about to see in a minute. But yeah, nice little fish. So this rig here is my Ronnie rig, just using 25-pound boom material to a quick link swivel and a size 6 quarter curve shank hook.
Here we are then, boys. The faint sound of drum and bass may be heard in the background. That's due to Dylan, just down the old bank. But what we're doing is we're fishing. That's the main thing. Little update on myself, by the way. So I'm at uni, supposed to go to New Zealand in July to study there. Not happening, COVID-19, but got a job at the co-op. But got 2 days off, so I'm down fishing. Not gonna lie, this is not the most ideal lake. It's essentially a glorified match lake. It is just a match lake, and they're like night fishing. I don't know why, but yeah. So I do wish I was somewhere with a bit of a bigger prize, more trees, weed, features, that sort of thing to fish to. But we're down fishing, and that's the main thing. And yeah, it's good stuff. Flipping out. I've only just put the old groundhog up, and it's way too hot. Looking nice though. Looking nice. Very nice indeed. Look at the sun coming through there. Nice one. Good stuff. Right, chaps, I don't know what time it is, probably just before midnight or just after. Just had this little fat one. Get me back to bed, I reckon. Flipping it out the margin, good stuff. Nice one. Let's get some more, I reckon. Nice.
So after Sam had that one fish, nothing else produced during the night.
Sam, what are you doing? Don't fall off.
Right then, chap. Just sitting up behind us, up on the bank in the shade. Bobbin pulled up. Shot down the bank, that's a good one. Don't get too close, Benjamin.
Yeah.
And looks like we might be able to finish off the session.
Nice comment. It's not a bad looking fish, mate.
You're right, chaps. So I've just got back from the shift that I had to get to at the co-op. But yeah, Ben is headed off to Watery Gate, and hopefully he's in for a good night of fishing. Yeah, good stuff. Thanks for watching. You never know, we might do some more videos. Hopefully we will, sure we will. I'm going to go out on my bike and adventure around and maybe push the boundaries with where I'm going to fish potentially. But yeah, chaps and ladies, as our mate Chili would say, keep the fire burning, boys. Get out fishing, keep social distancing, but get out fishing, chaps.